Have you ever asked yourself what's stopping you from achieving your dreams? This question, though simple, is profound. Dreams are the seeds of our aspirations, the visions we hold for our future. They are the driving force that pushes us to strive for more, to reach for the stars, and to become the best versions of ourselves. They give our life purpose, meaning, and direction. But dreams alone are not enough. They can remain just that, dreams, if we don't take the necessary steps to realize them. So, how do we go about it? Well, the good news is that dreams are not just fanciful wishes. They are achievable. With the right mindset, a well-thought-out plan, and a dash of perseverance, we can turn our dreams into reality. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Now, let's dive into the process of turning those dreams into reality. The first step is to clearly define what your dreams or long-term goals are. You see, the broader your dreams, the harder it is to grasp them. So, be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to be a successful novelist with 3 bestsellers under my belt by the age of 35. This specificity not only gives you a clear target, but also empowers you to map out a detailed plan of action. Consider this. If your dream is to travel the world, break it down. Which countries do you wish to visit? How long do you plan to stay in each location? What experiences do you want to have? The more detailed your dreams, the more tangible they become. It's like providing yourself a roadmap to your desired destination. Remember, dreams are not just fleeting thoughts. They are the blueprints of your future. With a clear vision, you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Now it's time to set SMART goals. The SMART framework is a powerful tool that turns dreams into achievable goals. Let's break it down. S stands for specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to run a 5-kilometer race in under 30 minutes." The more specific your goal, the clearer your path to success becomes. M stands for measurable. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Maybe it's when you cross that finish line, or perhaps when you can do 20 push-ups without breaking a sweat. A is for achievable. Your goal should stretch you but not break you. Be realistic about what you can accomplish. R represents relevance. Your goal should align with your long-term dreams and aspirations. Finally, T stands for time-bound. Set a deadline to create a sense of urgency and keep you motivated. Remember, a SMART goal is your roadmap to success. Next, break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and create a detailed plan. This strategy is like turning a giant mountain into a series of smaller hills. Each hill conquered brings you one step closer to the summit of your dreams. The benefits of this approach are twofold. First, it makes the journey less daunting. Instead of staring at a distant horizon, you're focusing on the next hill. Second, it provides a sense of progress. Each completed task is a victory that fuels your motivation. Now, how to create an effective plan? Start by listing the tasks needed to achieve each goal. Assign a deadline to each task, but remember to be realistic. Life tends to throw curveballs, so allow for some flexibility. Your plan isn't set in stone. Think of it more as your guiding star, leading you towards your dreams. With your plan in hand, you're ready to embark on your journey. Commitment and motivation are your fuel on this journey. Imagine you're on a road trip to your dream destination. You've got a full tank of gas, a map in hand, and the open road ahead. Now, commitment is the gas that keeps your engine running. It's the force that drives you forward, mile after mile, despite the bumps and detours along the way. But how do you keep that tank full? Well, it's by understanding that this journey, your journey to achieving your dreams, is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, endurance, and sometimes making tough choices. It could mean waking up an hour earlier to work on your goals, or saying no to distractions that don't serve your purpose. And then there's motivation. Picture it as the map guiding you on this journey. It's the why behind your what. It's the reason you're on this road in the first place. It's the vision of your dream destination that keeps you going, no matter how far or challenging the journey may seem. So, how do you keep your motivation high? Start by reminding yourself of your why. Visualize your dream, feel it, embrace it. When the road gets tough, when doubts creep in, go back to your why. It's your touchstone, your North Star. Another strategy is to celebrate your small wins. Every milestone you reach, every task you complete, is a step closer to your dream. Celebrating these victories, no matter how small, can boost your motivation and fuel your drive to keep going. And let's not forget about the power of positive affirmation. Speak your dreams into existence. Tell yourself, I can and I will. This simple mantra can work wonders in boosting your confidence and keeping you motivated. Above all, remember that perseverance and determination are key. The journey to your dreams may be long and filled with obstacles, but every step you take is a step closer to your destination. So hold on to your commitment, stoke your motivation, and keep moving forward. Your dreams are worth the effort. Stay committed, stay motivated. On your journey, you will encounter obstacles. Embrace them. These are words to live by, especially when we're on the path to achieving our dreams. You see, failure is not something to be feared or avoided. Rather, it's a crucial part of our growth. It's the teacher that shows us where we went wrong, the mirror that reflects our strengths and weaknesses. Every time we stumble and fall, we gain a new understanding of ourselves, our capabilities, and the world around us. And each time we rise, dust ourselves off and keep going, we become stronger, more resilient, more determined. But embracing failure is just one part of the equation. The other part, adaptability. When we set out to achieve our dreams, we often have a clear vision of our destination and a carefully charted path to get there. But life, as we know, is rarely so predictable. Obstacles may block our path, detours may lead us astray, and sometimes the destination itself might change. That's where adaptability comes into play. It's the ability to adjust our plans, our strategies, our very mindset when circumstances demand it. It's about being flexible, open-minded, and willing to change course, if that's what it takes to achieve our dreams. Think of it like navigating a ship. The captain sets the course, but when a storm hits or an unexpected island appears on the horizon, they don't just abandon ship or plow on regardless. They adjust their course, take into account the new circumstances, and find a new way to reach their destination. That's what we should do in our journey towards our dreams. So remember, when you encounter failure, don't let it discourage you. Embrace it, learn from it, use it as a stepping stone to success. And when life throws you a curveball, don't be afraid to adjust your course. Be flexible, be adaptable, be resilient. Because that's what it takes to achieve your dreams. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. So let's embrace our failures, adjust our sails when needed, and keep moving forward towards our dreams. As you progress, remember to track your progress, stay organized, seek support, and remain patient. First, let's talk about tracking your progress. It's like checking a map during a journey. You wouldn't want to wander aimlessly, would you? By reviewing your achievements, you'll know how far you've come and how much further you need to go. This can be a great source of motivation, and it also helps you adjust your plan if needed. Next, staying organized. This can be as simple as jotting down your daily tasks or as complex as using project management apps. The key is to keep your tasks, deadlines, and goals neatly arranged. It helps you stay focused and reduces the chance of feeling overwhelmed. Then comes seeking support. It's okay to ask for help. In fact, it's more than okay. It's smart, it's brave, it's a sign of strength. Whether it's a mentor, a friend, or a family member, their guidance, encouragement, and perspective can make all the difference. Remember, even the greatest of achievers have had their share of support. Finally, patience. Patience, the subtle art of waiting. Success is a slow cook, not a microwave meal. It takes time. It's not always easy to wait, especially when you're eager to reach your dreams. But remember, good things come to those who wait. Patience allows you to grow, to learn, and to mature. It gives you the time to gain the skills and experiences that you'll need on your journey. So as you journey towards your dreams, remember these 4 final steps. Track your progress, stay organized, seek support, and practice patience. These steps may seem simple, but they are crucial. They are the compass that will guide you, the wind that will propel your sail, the map that will show you the way. Achieving your dreams is a journey, not a destination. Keep taking steps and you'll get closer each day.